Prince George's County Alumni Chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Incorporated presents the Science and Everyday Experiences STEM at Home video series.
I'm Dolores McLean, member of Prince George's County Alumni Chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. And today I'm going to do STEM at Home. Science and Everyday Experiences, which C stands for. Now, on the table you see some items, and the items in the category of chemistry. Why? Because chemistry is behavior of matter. How the property act when you add something else to it that is different. So the name of our project today is balloon blow up. We are going to do balloon blow up, and we're going to blow the balloons up without even using air from our mouth. We are going to be good today. Now let's see what our materials are. We have a bottle, we have some balloons, we have baking soda, we have vinegar, and if you need to use any spoons, you may, and we have the funnel. All right, now let's see what we're trying to do. First thing I want you to think of, some type of questions. What happened if I mix the baking soda and the vinegar together? We want what kind of reaction we are going to get. Okay, first of all, let's do this. We're going to take an empty bottle, and then we're going to pour some vinegar in the empty bottle. Okay, we'll probably do about maybe a third of the bottle. Okay, after we do that, all right, we're going to close it up so we won't knock it over. Now we're going to take the funnel, place it inside one of the balloons. Okay, because we just want to see what's going to happen here. And we're going to take the baking soda, and we're going to pour. You can pour as much as you like, but not quite. Don't fill it all the way up. All right, okay. I have to move it around a little bit because sometimes it does get stuck. So we want to work it around. All right, we're going to work it around. Oh, it's coming. Oh, very good. Now, the baking soda is in the balloon. Now, we said that we are working with the chemistry and the area chemistry, meaning that we are going to mix something together. We're going to mix the baking soda with the vinegar, and we're trying to find out what kind of reaction we are actually going to get. All right, now what you're going to do, you're going to take the balloon, the top of the balloon, place it on top of the bottle. Okay, make sure it's up there, make sure it's up there. All right, it's on top of the bottle, okay? Now, we know that baking soda and vinegar, one is the base, the acid, vinegar is the acid, the baking soda is the base. So when these two substances mix together, there are going to be a reaction. So we're going to see what in the world is going to happen. So we're going to lift, I'm going to move this out of the way so you can see. So I'm going to take the balloon and lift it up slowly into the vinegar, and let's see what happens. What happened? Look at there. Look at there. Look at that balloon. You didn't have to blow it up. That's the balloon blowing itself up because the base and the acid mixed together. It mixed together, and it formed a carbon dioxide, the same carbon that you have in your soda, and the carbon dioxide causes the balloon to expand. Isn't that beautiful? That is really nice. Now, let's try another one. And we're going to take another one, another balloon, another bottle. We already have our vinegar in there. And we know we have two type of substance. We have our acid and we have our base, and we're going to mix them together and see what happens again. This time we have a different design. So we're going to take that design, take the top of the balloon, place it over the bottle, and let's see what happens this time. Would it take the shape of the balloon, or would it just say as it, oh, look at there. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. The acid and the base turn to carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and it expanded, and we have a balloon that is all the way up. Isn't that nice? Science is something else. Science, and all of this, all of the items that you see can be found in your home. That is beautiful. Oh, thank you. I know that when you were in the second and third grade, you had to do some science experiments. Oh, yes, you did. So now I'm going to show you one that everyone loves doing. They love to take a jar, place, and we're going to have a mess. So I think what we need to do is get some paper towel before we get started. Let's take some paper towels, and we're going to place it right under the jar so you can see what's going on. And I'm going to pour some baking soda in here because I want you to actually see what's going on. Now, can you think what might happen? Do you think anything going to happen? If I mix baking soda and vinegar together, do you think it will come out, or it just won't do anything? Let's see that. I am going to take this vinegar, pour right here in this jar. Whoa, look at that, volcano. Look at there, volcano in action. But more I pour, the more it's going to waste over. Look at that volcano. Isn't that nice? Science is something else. I am telling you, this is your acid and your base, and they chemistry, and you were able to make a volcano. Awesome. Have a nice day.